Hello, my dear friend. I'm so glad you're here with me today. I truly believe that you didn't find this message by accident. There's something magical about this moment, a calling within you that has brought you here to discover something powerful and life-changing. And I want to share something very special with you today, an affirmation that can bring immediate changes into your life starting tonight. Now, I know you may have tried affirmations before, or perhaps you're new to them, and you're wondering how they work. Let me assure you, affirmations are one of the most transformative tools you can use. They shape your thoughts, your beliefs, and ultimately your reality. What we tell ourselves on a daily basis becomes the foundation upon which our lives are built. And when we choose loving, positive, and empowering words, we begin to see that reflected in the world around us. This particular affirmation I'm going to share with you is something you can use before going to bed tonight. It's simple, easy to note, and profoundly effective. But before we dive into it, I want you to take a moment to center yourself. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension, stress, or worry that might be lingering. The beauty of this affirmation is that it speaks directly to your subconscious mind, the part of you that is always listening, always creating, even when you're asleep. The subconscious never rests. It's constantly working, shaping your life based on the thoughts and beliefs you feed it. This is why it's so important to speak kindly to yourself, to nourish your mind with positive affirmations, especially as you drift off to sleep. Tonight, when you're ready for bed, I want you to say these words to yourself. I am open to the miracles of life. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I release all doubts and fears, and I welcome abundance, love, and healing into my life right now. Let these words sink in. Say them slowly with intention. You don't need to rush through them. Take your time. Feel the power of each phrase. As you say these words, imagine your mind absorbing them like a sponge, soaking up all the positivity and love they hold. You are planting seeds of transformation, seeds that will grow into something beautiful and profound. When you repeat this affirmation before you sleep, you are giving your subconscious mind a clear direction. You are telling it that you are ready for miracles, that you are open to receiving all the good the universe has in store for you. And because your subconscious mind is always working, even as you sleep, it will begin to rearrange things in your life to match the energy of the words you've spoken. The changes might be subtle at first. Maybe you'll notice a shift in how you feel when you wake up, or perhaps you'll start to see little signs of improvement in different areas of your life. But over time, these small shifts add up, and before you know it, you'll start to experience more ease, more flow, and more joy in your daily life. The universe responds to the energy we put out, and by affirming that you are open to miracles, you are aligning yourself with the vibration of abundance, love, and healing. It's important to understand that affirmations are not just about the words themselves, they are about the energy behind them. When you say your affirmation, don't just recite the words, feel them. Feel the truth in them. Even if you're not sure how it's all going to happen, trust that it will. Trust that by affirming what you desire, you are setting the wheels of manifestation into motion. If you find that your mind tries to resist or doubt the affirmation, gently remind yourself that this is natural. We've all been conditioned to believe certain things about ourselves and the world, and sometimes those beliefs can make it hard to accept new, more empowering truths. But that's okay. Just keep repeating the affirmation, keep trusting the process, and allow the old limiting beliefs to slowly melt away. And note, you are worthy of the miracles you are asking for. You deserve to live a life filled with love, joy, health, and abundance. There's no need to feel guilty or undeserving. The universe is infinite, and there is more than enough good for everyone. By affirming your worth and opening yourself to receive, you are not taking away from anyone else. You are simply allowing yourself to be in the flow of life's natural abundance. I want to encourage you to try this affirmation tonight and for the next few nights. Make it a part of your bedtime routine, something you look forward to as you wind down from the day. You'll be amazed at how quickly you begin to notice the changes, not just in your external circumstances, but in how you feel on the inside. If you ever find yourself feeling doubtful or impatient, remember that transformation takes time. Be kind to yourself throughout this process. Sometimes the most profound shifts happen when we least expect them. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing for everything and that your desires are already on their way to you. And don't be afraid to tweak the affirmation if it feels right for you. Maybe you want to add something specific that resonates with your own situation. That's perfectly okay. Affirmations are meant to be personal and adaptable. The key is to make sure they reflect what you truly want and to say them with love and belief in your heart. Let's go over the affirmation one more time so you can fully think of its power. I am open to the miracles of life. I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I release all doubts and fears, and I welcome abundance, love, and healing into my life right now. Doesn't that feel good to say? You are creating a powerful shift in your energy just by repeating these words, and the more you do this, the more natural it will feel. Soon, you'll start to notice that your thoughts are becoming more positive, your outlook more hopeful, and your heart more open to the endless possibilities around you. Life is always offering us new opportunities, new chances to grow, heal, and thrive, but we have to be willing to receive them. And we have to believe that we are worthy and capable of experiencing all the good that life has to offer. And by using affirmations like this one, you are giving yourself permission to step into that space of possibility. So tonight, before you close your eyes, take a few moments to say your affirmation. Feel the peace wash over you as you release any worries from the day. Trust that as you sleep, your subconscious is working to bring your desires into reality. And when you wake up in the morning, start your day with gratitude, knowing that you are in the process of creating the life you've always dreamed of. And my dear friend, you have so much power within you. And never forget that you are a creator, a manifester, and your thoughts and words have the ability to shape your reality. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the energy that you are creating by simply tuning into your inner self. Often, we forget how powerful our thoughts and words are in shaping not just our day-to-day experiences, but our entire lives. Each word, each belief you hold within you has the ability to shift your reality. This isn't about trying to control every moment, but about allowing yourself to work in harmony with the natural flow of life. It's about recognizing that you have the ability to influence what comes into your life by being intentional with your thoughts and affirmations. When you look around you, everything you see started as an idea. From the homes we live in to the technology we use, all of it began in someone's mind as a simple thought. Your life works in much the same way. What you experience is deeply connected to what you believe is possible for you. Now, this is not always an easy concept to accept, especially when we've been conditioned to think that life just happens to us. But when you begin to open up to the possibility that you are co-creating your experience, that's when you unlock your true potential. What I want to emphasize here is that transformation can happen when you least expect it. Sometimes it's a sudden breakthrough, and other times it's a series of small, steady shifts. These shifts might be subtle at first, but they are no less meaningful. Each step forward, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to the reality you desire. It's crucial that you continue to affirm your worth, your potential, and your ability to create positive change in your life. When you begin to see your thoughts and words as seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious, you'll realize that everything you wish for is already on its way to you. There is no rush. There is no need to force anything. Instead, there's an incredible beauty in allowing things to unfold naturally. Affirmations are the water that nurtures those seeds, helping them grow into the life you've envisioned for yourself. You might be wondering, how can I continue to strengthen this connection to my inner power? So it's simple: stay consistent with your affirmations, but also pay attention to the moments when you doubt yourself. When those doubts creep in, take a moment to pause and breathe. You don't have to force them away, just acknowledge them and then gently guide your Ligan back to the positive affirmations you've been practicing. It's like redirecting your focus back to the path you've chosen. Before we close, I want to take a moment to thank you for joining me today. If you found value in what we've talked about, I would love for you to continue this journey with me. The energy we share here is so special, and I know that together we can create even more magic in your life. So if you enjoyed this content and want more of these affirmations and insights, please make sure to like this video. Your support means everything, and it helps us reach more people who can benefit from these teachings. And if you're looking for more tools to transform your mindset and manifest your desires, I'd be so happy if you'd subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when new affirmations and techniques are available for you to use. Every subscribe makes such a difference, and I can't wait to share more with you. Also, feel free to share this video with someone who could use a little extra positivity in their life. Maybe you know a friend or a family member who's going through a tough time and could really benefit from these affirmations. Together, we can spread these words of healing and empowerment far and wide. If you want to stay connected and be part of this growing space of positivity and self-empowerment, don't forget to turn on notifications. By hitting the notification bell, you'll never miss an opportunity to elevate your mindset and invite more abundance into your life. Lastly, I encourage you to leave a comment below if this affirmation resonated with you. Let me know how you felt after practicing it and share your experience. I love reading your comments and seeing how these words are making a difference in your life. Your feedback is so valuable and helps us continue to bring you the best content possible. Thank you again for being here today. You are doing such amazing work on yourself, and I'm honored to be a part of your journey. I believe in your power to create the life you want, and I'm excited to see what's next for you. Take care, and until next time, keep affirming the best for yourself. You are worthy, you are powerful, and your life is a reflection of all the beautiful things you are inviting in.